Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to post 60-second stories on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you on how to post 60-second stories on Instagram. Before we start this tutorial, you have to make sure that your app is up to date, and if not, you should have updated first to enable the 60-second story feature on your app. Next is you can go to your Instagram account and go to stories and select a 1 minute or a 60-second video you want to post for your stories. Now I'm using this 1 minute and 3 seconds video. Now, once you posted this as your story, it should have a 60-second duration. And once you've posted it, you may try checking on the story you've posted. And as you can see, the duration of the story comes in 60 seconds or 1 minute. Now you can post longer videos for your stories. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.